This is an alcohol review from a guy that doesn't like to drink. Today we're doing Hurricane High Gravity Malt Liquor. Holy Jesus fucking Christ. If trailer park was a flavor, bam. It's like a hurricane ran through a fucking trailer park. Ugh. And they just canned the receding floodwaters that was pulling back. I mean, Jesus fuck Christ, that is fucking terrible. Ugh. I'd rather run asshole first through a cornfield than have to fucking have another one of these pieces of shits. Jesus.